missing someone.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do the wavy text for any of your editing purposes. But before we get into the video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be notified each time I post a video. So if you guys want to learn how to do a wavy text like the one I'm going to show on the screen right now, to the app Fonto. Once you are on Fonto, you would go ahead and press the camera at the bottom. You would press plain image, then you would press either the white or the black. You can click any of them. I'm just going to click that one. And then you would go to the bottom. As you can see, it says color. You would go ahead and press that, and then press the green, because that would help you with the green screen, which I'm going to be showing you guys. But yeah, this is what you're going to need to do. It has to be green, and then apply it. And then at the top, you have to go ahead and put it in landscape. If you're on an iPhone, you have to put it on landscape, on where it says iPhone, and then the landscape border for that. So yeah, just do that. But if you're on Android, then you would just press the normal landscape and you'll be fine. So once you do that, you can go ahead and save that and use it. You go to the top and press the little export button and then use it. And then you would press add text. So again, you would want the keep on trucking font, because that's what the font everybody uses. So I'm gonna go ahead to your internet browser, and sorry about the cutoff, I had to pause. And yeah, so once you are on your internet browser, you're gonna go ahead and look for the website thefont.com. So then you would search that up, and then you would be on the website, and then on the website you would search up this exact font, which is called keep on trucking. So you would search that up, spell it just like that, and then it would show up like this, and then you would go ahead and press the button download. So it might be a little harder to download sometimes because it's like a desktop site on the phone, so it's kind of hard to press buttons. Ooh, and I went back to Groovy. Oh, that wasn't really what. So then you would press download, and then it would take you here, and then you would press open in Fonto. So it would take you back to Fonto, and you would have it. You would install it. Mine is already installed, so you would just do that. And once it is installed, you go to add text. You would press font, and then you should press on it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press on it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and type in what you wanted to type in. So I'm gonna put my channel name. So for me, I like adding a shadow to my wavy text. So I would go to style, and then once I'm in style, I would press style at the top, and then and then scroll alpha to all the way to the top. And again, I don't like a lot of blur on my shadow, but if you do, you do you. So I'm gonna go ahead and not add that much shadow on my blur. Not that much blur on my shadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm changing like the perspective of the shadow, and there we go. So once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and keep it like that. You can change the size, color, and everything, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't feel like I think I like the aesthetic white. So then once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and save it to your camera. So guys, once you have your photo on your Photos app, you're gonna go ahead and go to the app Mega Photo, which is available on iOS and Android. So is Fonto. So you're gonna go ahead and open that up. So yeah, you might see all of this random stuff. You would go to and scroll to the part where there is a dog, as you can see, and then press on the cube 831. So once you are on that, you would press settings, and then press image and photo from library, and it would take you to choose the photo you want to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for the photo I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna use it will show up right there, sorry, the photo I just put in Fonto, and then press done. And then once you would see it right here on the screen. So once you have that, you would want to look for this wavy text. I think this is the best wavy text you could use, so I would totally use this one. So once you have this one, you would press the arrow and then press the little camera recording, so you would record it. Guys, I would recommend to save it up to 10 seconds, so I'm gonna go ahead and press that, and it would record once you press the video button. So guys, once you have it, it should automatically save to your camera roll, and once you have that, you would go back to your camera roll over here, and it should be video right here. Again, it has a really weird watermark, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to use it without the watermark. So you would want to go to a green screen editing app. So in this case, I'm going to be using Kindmaster because I don't know. So you would just press a new project and then go to landscape and then add any background you want with the overlay of the green screen we just made of the wavy text. So I'm just going to add a random color of the background. It could be a video or photo. So once you have that, you would go to layer, go to media, and then press what you just made. Wait, not that, sorry. I pressed on the screen recording I just made. I'm sorry about that. So you just press on the video you just made. Once you have that, I would crop out the watermark. Once you crop it out, and I go ahead and press on it, and then press chroma key, would make it bigger, and then you would have this video button. So you would just already have your thing. So once you have it like that, you're gonna go ahead and make it as long as the green screen. So, and then you would save it and export it. So export all you have to do, and then you have your wavy text. You can go ahead and add it to anything with the green screen. That is how you would use it. Again, if your editing app has a watermark that you would green screen editing like Kindmaster, I would just recommend to crop it out with a editing app that doesn't have a watermark, or watch my videos that show how to remove the watermark. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys all in the next one. Bye. Missing someone.